Hello everybody, welcome back to another session on the 5 Little Monkeys, session 3. Hello, my name is Adam Sensei, or Malasha, depending on where you're watching. Good afternoon, how are you? I hope that you're all doing well. In today's lesson, we're going to be doing a writing test, and I will explain to you what to do now. Go to your worksheet and as always start by filling in your name. So mine is Adam Sensei / Laosha. There we go. Now we're going to start with these grey letters here. We have on, head, bed, one, monkeys, no, doctor and said. And you've got to trace all of the letters in red or blue, or whatever colour you like. And then we're going to choose the right words from the box and fill in the blanks, which are on the page below. And I'll read it out and leave the blanks free so that you can fill them in where they need to go. And you can listen back to the previous lessons if you want to hear the song in full. 5 little jumping the fell off and bumped Mum called a and the doctor more jumping the Sounds a little bit silly when you don't read out all the words, but hopefully that will help you to find the blanks. And that is all that we're going to do in today's lesson. Well done everybody. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, let your teacher know. And I'll see you later, alligator.